Operational management is an important aspect in your information system. Such tools can provide simplicity, bring agility, reduce manual efforts, and streamline activities. Implementation can involve dealing with a lot of different moving parts. Therefore, it's important to have a simple and standard methodology. An operational management tool should meet those needs comprehensively to reduce the usage of too many tools. As well, DevOps practices like continuous integration and continuous deployment improves productivity and efficiency. And therefore, DevOps teams need such capabilities packaged in the operational management component. Finally, the production support team needs a monitoring console with in-depth information to act faster and meet SLA. Let's take a look at Stambia Production Analytics. Stambia Production Analytics is a web interface. The administration console helps you configure runtimes in different environments and set up your log databases for them. Create various profiles to gather sessions from these runtimes and log databases. Configure statistical information needed in the executions. Also, create configuration environments and assign configurations to environments. Finally, create delivery projects for each package and add target environments where these needs to be published. Once the configurations are complete, deploy your packages exported out of Stambia Designer. This package then can be deployed in any of the environments. To get started, import the package of your project. Configure the metadata properties manually or with autofill. Just deploy with a click and check your build information. This code can then be promoted to other environments in the same way. With the build information pop-up, you can restore a previous build in a click. And finally, you can manage the lifecycle of projects by handling versions, metadata for any environment in a very simple way. The deliveries published on a specific runtime can now be scheduled. Choose from various options, for example, every year, month, or day, or a range of years, months, or a specific day, etc. The monitoring console, on the other hand, provides users the ability to create customized sessions based on specific filters. For production support teams, it is very useful for the console to not only provide a high-level status of execution, but give them in-depth details to take informed decisions. As an example, in case of a failure, users can drill down to the exact error step and identify the issue in no time. This improves reactivity of the support teams and helps meet SLA. As well, users can also pull up the documentation from the monitoring screen itself to know more about the design. Some statistical information regarding the sessions as well as timelines can also be accessed whenever needed. With Stambia Designer, Runtime and Production Analytics, your project managers can effectively set up practices such as continuous integration, continuous deployment. And lastly, it provides support for Kubernetes, Docker, Swagger, HTTP, etc. To know more, request a demo at stambia.com.